The Ergotron LX vertical dual monitor arm provides a very stable stacked setup for two large displays, making it ideal for serious multitasking and professional workflows. Its generous compatibility handles monitors up to 40 inches and a wide weight range per screen, so most modern panels mount without drama or adapters. Articulation is excellent with substantial height adjustment, full rotation, and a deep tilt range that make it easy to dial in an ergonomic viewing position whether you sit or stand. The tall pole and dual arms let you stack screens vertically or swing them to the side, and the integrated cable routing keeps the desk surface noticeably clearer. Installation is straightforward thanks to the solid clamp and included grommet hardware, and once tightened, the arm holds position without sagging or wobble. Build quality is impressive, with a durable finish and long warranty that inspire confidence for long-term daily use in demanding office or studio setups.